There's a saying, if you want someone to love you forever, buy a dog, feed it, and keep it around. Dick Dale. Please like and subscribe.